WWL-TV breaking news now.
Good afternoon. Thanks for being with us. We do begin with breaking news where in the last few hours, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down Louisiana's second majority black congressional district in a 6-3 vote. It is a decision expected to have nationwide implications. Our Winston Reed joining us now live in the studio to break down what this means for black voters in Louisiana and what leaders are saying around the state. Hey there, Winston.
Hey there, Mike. Yeah, so the ruling reopens a fight for a new congressional map in Louisiana. It's a win for Republicans who are looking to take control of a district that likely has to be redrawn. Now, the conservative majority found that District 6, that goes from Shreveport to Baton Rouge, relied too heavily on race when it was drawn up and adopted in 2024. Now, there are a total of 6 districts in Louisiana. Black residents make up 1/3 of the state's population, and this district, represented by Democrat Cleo Fields, gave black voters the majority representation in 2 of those districts, District 6 and District 2, which is centered in New Orleans. Now, Justice Elena Kagan wrote in a dissent that today's decision renders this Section 2 all but a dead letter, and she's referring to Section 2 of the 1965 Voting Rights Act, which allowed minority voters to challenge maps that weakened their voting power without proving intentional racial bias. Now, we've gotten a lot of reaction from local and state leaders. Attorney General Liz Murrow said, quote, "The Supreme Court has ended Louisiana's long-running nightmare of federal courts coercing the state to draw a racially discriminatory map that was always unconstitutional." And Congressman Troy Carter said in a statement that this ruling is about far more than lines on a map. It's about whether black Louisianians will have a meaningful opportunity to make their voices heard. Now, Governor Jeff Landry, he also weighed in on the decision this morning.
This is exactly what we've been looking for, is some clarity and certainty from the courts. Louisiana has been engaged in a judicial and litigation circus since the 90s regarding how and who should draw our congressional maps.
And early voting for Louisiana's midterms starts this weekend. We're not certain if this ruling will impact this upcoming election because of the timing.
All right, Winston.